guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with a new project on the bench, Revell's 69 Dodge Charger kit. Now, while the finished build is going to be something that fits in with my musical theme for the year, I wanted to choose this kit specifically because of some feedback that I've seen recently. While this is still the nicest kit for a full detail 69 Charger build, it's an older tooling and it's not without its flaws. I've seen several people looking to build one of these cars who have been expressing frustration with it. Questions about how to do certain details on it. I've seen people giving up on it entirely, so I was thinking I might be able to help. So I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently for this build. Instead of my usual, here's where I am, wait a week, here's the next progress update, and so on, I'm going to be going through this kit more or less as per the instructions. There's a few build sequences that Revell could have gotten better. I'll get to those as we hit them. But I'm going to be doing this so you can follow along. I want to try to go through it in a way so that by the end of this series, if you're interested in building Revell's Charger kit, you will be able to. So that's the plan for it. I'm going to start in on step 1 next week. You can check back then, and thanks for watching.